Imagine this, you arrive at work, turn your systems, and everything is gone. No database, no applications, or files are encrypted. No way to recover anything. This exact scenario has destroyed companies, hospitals, banks, even government institutions. Data loss is guaranteed to happen at some point. The only question is, will you be ready? That is why backup is not optional. It is mandatory IT standard. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you why backup is non-negotiable requirement in every IT environment. What happens when organization ignore and how proper backup strategy can literally save a business from complete disaster. First, we see what is a backup. A backup is a secondary copy of your data stored in a secure location. Its purpose is simple: to bring your system back to life when the original data is lost, corrupted, or attacked. Backup protects against system failure, accidental deletion, ransom and cyber attack, natural disaster, software corruption. If data is valuable, backup is mandatory. Why backup is mandatory? Here is the truth. Data loss is not a matter of if, it is matter when hardware eventually fails, humans make mistakes, malware targets system, fires, failures, and outage can happen at anyone. Without backup, recovery is impossible. That is why every global IT framework treats backup as a required control, not a suggestion. Backup as an IT standard. Backup isn't just best practice. It is a part of global IT compliance standards. International framework like ISO 27001, NIST Cybersecurity Framework, ITIL Service Management, all require organizations to implement scheduled and automated backup, secured storage or offsite or cloud, defined retention policies, encryption and access control, regular restore testing. Any system without backup plan is classified as high risk and non-compliant. Here now we see what happens without backup. When organizations ignore backup, the consequences are serious. 1. Business downtime. 2. Financial loss. 3. Data breach or exposure. 4. Loss of customer trust. 5. Legal penalty for non-compliance. 6. Permanent closure in severe cases. Statistics show that many businesses never reopen after a major data loss event. What standard backup should include? A complete backup standard should include full, differential, and incremental backups, offsite or cloud replication, encryption and strict access control, documented retention periods, automated scheduling, regular restore testing. Use 3-2-1 backup rule, because if a backup has been tested, you cannot trust it. Here is the truth. A backup that cannot be restored is not a backup. Backup exists for one purpose only, which is recovery. No restored, no backup. If this video helped you understand why backup is a mandatory in IT standard, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share with someone responsible for data or IT system. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.